Hanuman disturbs the sages. Blessed with extraordinary powers, Hanuman became more mischievous. None dared to punish him. His favorite pastime was to roam around in the forest. Hanuman's pranks were not limited to animals only. The sages too fell prey to his mischief. He disturbed the meditating sages by pulling their beards and scratching their backs. Sometimes he made weird noises that frightened the sages. Hanuman used to jump from one tree to another and throw fruits on the passerby. The normally peaceful sages tolerated Hanuman's restless pranks as much as they could. One day, some sages were performing a holy ritual. Suddenly, Hanuman climbed up a nearby tree and doused the sacrificial fire with coconut water. Unable to take it anymore, the sages finally approached Brahma and requested him to punish Hanuman and take away his powers. They said, "Oh Lord, this monkey child is bothering us a lot. Today he spoiled an important ritual. Please punish him." Curse on Lord Hanuman. Brahma realized that the sages were making a genuine complaint. Hanuman was wasting his hidden talent by doing such mischief. So Brahma thought of teaching him a lesson. Hanuman's birth has a purpose. He is to help Ram in future. He is going to be the great savior in Ram's life. I have to pacify him so that he may use his energy in the right direction. Though I cannot take away his boons, yet I can devise a way to calm him down, Brahma thought. Brahma placed a mild curse on Hanuman. Hanuman, you shall forget your special powers from now on. When the suitable time comes, someone will help you recollect your powers. The curse made Hanuman to mellow down. He became sincerely involved in meditation and studies. Much later, it was Jambavan, the king of bears, who reminded Hanuman of his strength and prompted him to fly across the ocean to search for Sita. Hanuman goes to Surya to study. Lord Brahma's mild curse turned Hanuman into a calm child. He concentrated more in seeking knowledge. When he was ready for formal education, his parents asked him to approach Surya. They felt that there was no better teacher than Surya, as he was the wisest and the most learned in the universe. A bewildered Hanuman looked up the sky and asked, "But how can I approach the sun god?" Anjana suddenly remembered the curse. She then reminded him how he had sprung up into the sky to swallow the sun when he was a child. As soon as he remembered, Hanuman leapt up high and flew skywards. There, he greeted Surya and said, "O Lord, I am Hanuman, the son of Anjana and Kesari. My parents have advised me to become your student and gain knowledge from you." Surya was overjoyed to see Hanuman, as he loved him a lot. Surya refuses to teach Hanuman. Hanuman approached Surya and expressed his desire to become his disciple. However, Surya refused to teach him. My child, I have to move across the sky constantly and in great speed. I cannot stop at one place. Then how can I teach you? He said. Hanuman was disappointed. But he said, "Oh Lord, I have an idea. If I face you and then move backwards with you at your pace, will you take me as a student?" Surya was very impressed with Hanuman's determination. He instantly made him his disciple and started imparting education to him. In a week's time, Hanuman learned the Vedas, the Upanishads, language, and literature. Surya was very satisfied with the enormous knowledge Hanuman had gained on these subjects. Hanuman's sharp mind and good grasping power had made him a worthy disciple. Surya praised Hanuman and blessed him with all the wisdom in the universe.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.